much the home screen of the VPN application. And as well, you do get the option to select your server. You can tap on this option here to go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. But do keep in mind, some of these servers you may see an king crown icon, I should say, those servers you will need a subscription for. So I do recommend select the smart option because you only have 2 free servers for use, which is the Finland and the Germany server. So I do recommend selecting the smart option. It will automatically select the best server for you to use. So that's really pretty much it for that there. As well, do forgot to mention you have the gaming server section over here. Just tap on this at the top and you'll be able to see gaming servers. But you're going to need subscription to use these servers as well. You have the Proxy server as well, as you can see here. You can use these servers as well. But these are pretty much subscription servers. So that's really pretty much it for that there. You do have a browser or a built-in browser in the application which you can use as well. And as you can see here, you can enter pretty much search anything as you would on Google Chrome and so forth. But that's really pretty much it for that. So before I connect to this VPN, I want to take a look at the subscription. You can tap on the icon at the top here. You'll be able to purchase their subscription. They offer a lifetime subscription, a yearly subscription, a monthly subscription, and a weekly subscription. As you can see here, they pretty much give you a 2-year subscription for $15, as you can see there. And that's pretty much it. So once you have selected your server, you can pretty much go ahead and tap on the connection button here. As you can see here, we'll ask for permission to connect to the VPN, which is connection request. Just tap on connect and we'll start connecting in no time. As you can see here, I'm currently connected to the VPN connection, and I might say this VPN is very distant. Does give you a free connection time of 30 minutes, and you can add more time as well. As you can see, you can add unlimited time, and I can watch ads and add time as well. So either one works for you, but you know the unlimited time is pretty much you getting a subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out. Descargue